One. What's up, my people of the internet? It's I, the Lord of Purple Clouds, and I'm here with Clover Whisker Animations.
Right. I sound like a very weird child.
You sound like a weird child.
I'm a very weird boy. Okay, I'm a very weird one.
That.
Oh, fuck, what happened?
Okay, so basically, me and her are playing this, and this is her first time playing, and she will absolutely die of boredom.
Don't call me a her, I'm a him, you know that.
Oh, I'm the killer! You're about to get your ass wrecked. I'm the killer,
I guess
boy.
I go for... I'm running. I'm running.
Nani?
I'm running.
What the hell? The trap didn't work. Bitch.
Where are you?
I'm the killer. I'm the guy doing the traps, so you better, bitch, you better run.
Checkpoint reached.
I'm the guy. If you look at the windows, I'm there. If you look at the windows, I'm there.
Oh!
Oh, hacks! Those are some dang hacks. Boy! Bro, these things suck.
Yes, I got that through.
Damn it! These traps suck so bad.
I'm running.
Oh, trust me, you will die. You will die.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will, child.
I shall not die.
Oh, double.
Oh, no!
Get wrecked. Boy, you just got owned.
Okay.
Oh, I just killed. You just got flogged. Okay. Come on, you little dick face. You dick face.
I'm playing with Aiden.
You dick face.
Right now? 8:41. 44.
On.
Okay.
Damn it! I got one guy. Nice. God damn it! Why? Oh God! I'm so dead. Tobias.
What?
I'm dead. No! No! If you spectate me, I'm so dead. I'm screwed. Damn it! These traps suck so badly. Oh my God! Damn it!
Where are you?
I'm in the middle right here. Can you stop
Why
walking?
are you so rude? You're so rude. Open your daily gift. Ooh, frost potion.
By the way, he's a noob, everyone. He's a noob. Make fun of the noob. I'm just kidding.
Bacon. I'm a boy and I love bacon.
You like bacon?
I love bacon.
Show your appreciation for America.
I'm literally hitting myself in the head right now. Who's the killer?
Oh, I think it was. I know. I was one of the Mexican match. I think. Oh, little does she know, I have a surprise with her. Wait, what? Nani? Where'd she go? Oh God!
No!
Oh my God!
I wasn't expecting that.
You flew so far. Like, what were you expecting?
I wasn't expecting that.
What were you expecting?
I was expecting more like something would happen if we got over the rock or something.
If we got over the rock, you think the rock would just explode?
No, I wasn't expecting that.
You think the spikes would come out of nowhere?
Checkpoint reached.
No, I was expecting something else. But I don't know what.
I died.
Yeah, motherfucker, that's what you get, boy, for calling me a noob. We're so weird.
No! I'm gonna scream into the mic if you don't apologize.
Oh shit, no, because I'm actually wearing headphones.
I'm gonna scream into my mic if you don't apologize.
Please, no.
Do it! All you gotta do is say apologize.
Hey, you know what? You gotta take it easy on me, dude.
Okay, so no. Noobs get the hard way. I learned how to play this thing the hard way. I had to grind for days. I completely died. Like how I'm getting killed with these little freaking spinning. So you know what? I'm gonna scream to my leg. Prepare
I
your
thought
aim.
for a second like this weird person thing on a bench was you until I realized that
He doesn't wear a top hat. I'm not fat like this guy. I'm not fat like him.
Why do they do this in the game? I shit you not,
He's
dude.
my brother. This guy's my brother right here.
Yeah,
But
we
except
were
he's way more obese and fat.
both
And doesn't
obviously.
have my immortal top hat that I'm wearing. I'm gonna scream into Mike. 1, 2,
Please don't.
3. Okay, I won't.
Yeah, thank you. Oh my god!
Got it. Oh, it's fishing time. I'm a fish for some. I'm a fish for you. I'm a fish for you right now. I'm fishing for you. I'm fishing for Tobias's.
Hugs.
I'm fishing for Tobias's right now.
That just dropped.
Okay, I got one. God!
Only 1 minute left on the clock.
Sweet Jesus. Sweet Mother of God! Damn it.
I'm sure.
Get over here.
What the fuck?
Yeet!
Go
Give
me
me that axe. Okay, let's get out of here. 2 runners left. I'm spectating. I swear to God. If they're like camping or whatever.
Die.
Yeah! Wow, you probably got like last. You probably got last because you got flung so far. What? That's bullshit. That's some bull crap right there. That's total bull. That's how much bull there is. If I placed how much bull crap this was, this entire planet would be filled with crap.
When are we gonna play?
Don't worry, we just have to vote for our maps.
Oh,
Okay,
we're playing now.
we got
I guess
Ice
we're playing.
Cavern.
Oh no, I don't trust this.
Oh, I love this map.
It looks bad already.
Everything
Okay,
is
not me,
ice.
please.
Everything is ice. So
You must be my
expect a
friend,
lot of
dude.
expect a lot of spikes up the ass. Expect a
Okay.
lot of spikes up the ass.
I'm
Oh, the
spelled.
guy's not even saying the trap. He's going the opposite way. He's not even there. Let's go. Go, boys. Let's go.
Did
Yeet.
you just call me a boy? Like, you just like, let's go, bulls? Now I'm gonna. Oh, there's this gigantic ball here. What do I do with it? I don't know what to do with it.
Just drop the ball. Click it. And throw it.
Why?
Just do it.
Okay, I did it. Yeetus. I know! Ah!
Did you fall?
No! I fell in the water and then I just froze to death. Oh shit.
Oh no! God damn it! I tried to keep an eye on the killer while running, and I failed. Let's see how terrible. Oh wait, you're dead already. I want to see you fail. Okay.
Sucks. I mean, no, you know what? I like Castle the Fence way more better. So I'm gonna place my flag here. Boost the flag.
Oh, Castle
Yeah.
Defense, it sucks.
What did you just?
It's total crap, trust me. Okay, this woman has no mouth, as you can see. She has to breathe. She has to talk through her nose, like how Cyborg did in Teen Titans.
Yeah, I already did that in the episode.
Yes.
How like Raven became like more stubborn and just like.
Okay, this isn't a Teen Titan review. This is a Roblox deathrun video.
That's a game.
Game over. Ha.
Game over for y'all, you little
Bitch.
bitch. What? This guy didn't even. This guy, big winner here, ran for 7 seconds. I got 0 coins. That is the most bullcrap I've ever seen in the entire world.
I'm sorry, but I was start crying in laughter and tears of joy.
Hat! You failed me. You're supposed to be the immortal hat. You failed me. God. Okay, Poison Sky Ruins. Let's see how much
No,
bullcrap.
actually, that doesn't look that bad.
Let's see
It
how much
doesn't look
bullcrap
that
I
bad.
have to deal with today. Good thing I still got my snowball of death.
Where are you?
I see you.
Run.
Hi. Okay, watch the pillar. Danny. Oh, jeez! I hate it when they do that.
Okay, I got rage quit.
Suck it.
Am I?
Okay.
I'm almost-
I blinded the guy. I blinded. Why? How?
Checkpoint reached.
When I used the snowball, it showed that he was so far away. Did he somehow click it from like 10 feet away? That is some utter bullcrap. Are you still in the game or did
Just
you rage
3
quit?
runners left.
I quit.
You're dead
Cause-
face. Rejoin the game. We're doing one more round. We're doing
No.
one more round. Oh, good thing there's only 2 runners left. We're doing one more round. Come on. Come on, one more round. If you don't join me, I'm not putting your link in the description.
No, I'm just gonna draw now.
Oh my god. Fricking frick. Okay, let's see. We got the night. What the hell is that? This guy has
There was
hunchback. This guy has hunchback right here. And this. Oh, what? She didn't even get close. Bruh. Die. I will kill you. Look at his chill face. Look at this guy's chill face. This guy is right. Oh, you're making out with the wall, you idiot. Can you shut up with that?
Hey, dude, don't judge a book by its cover.
This is a video. This will be on the internet. Shush. I'm gonna get copyrighted if you do that. Copywriting is not a good thing.
Yeah, it's not, dude.
Oh, what? That is some total utter bull rider. Come on, go. Come on, Big Chungus, go. Big Chungus, come on. Big
Only 1
Chungus.
minute left on the clock.
Okay, kill her.
Oh!
Let's see. What does the man do? Wait, what? Oh, there it is.
Aiden, do now a happy frog voice.
Now, we're doing a video. Let's see. How does the man react? Oh, he's running away from death itself. And he gets.
Do it for your
Oh,
best friend.
That's the game.
Do it for your brother.
you're not my brother.
Well, so bad I don't give a shit anymore.
How do I always come last? This is some bull rider. What the heck? That is some weird glitch or something. Like, if I do really good in this round, and if I come last, I'm reporting this game, actually. Cause that is too weird. Okay, what do we get? What do we get? Oh, Pirate Cove, I hate this map.
I hate my life.
No, shush. Shush!
Why?
Shush, this is a video, no depression involved.
Run.
Well, sure, I don't like my life.
Oh god, I almost just killed myself. By accident. Oh my god, his wings fell off. Sweet Jeebus.
How are you still alive?
Okay, oh, she's not even there, yes. I swear to god. If you do something, oh my god. Oh no! Oh, and somehow his wings are back. Explain. Science explain. Oh my god, that's so close. Yes, there is a god, and that god is me. I'm the god of cats. No! Oh my god. That scared me. No! Oh my god, I almost...
Checkpoint reached.
God dang it. Oh. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for the noise. My Clover was playing it in the background. Hope you're happy with yourself.
Yeah, I am.
I'm gonna scream into my mic again. You don't apologize.
No, please don't.
You just have to apologize, jeez.
I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna take that as an apology. Okay, bye.